Hey planner friends, how's it going? Thanks so much for stopping by my channel. My name is Ryan and this is Man with the Plans. And in front of me, you can see I have the seasonal surprise box from Erin Condren for summer 2019. I know I'm a little late to the party. For some reason, this spent some time at the shipping facility in Minnesota for longer than it should have. And then the mailman put it into like my mailbox slot. But which technically it fit inside of, but I guess the way the door shut, I couldn't get it out. So it sort of lived in there for longer. You can see I sort of beat it up trying to get out of there. But nevertheless, here it is. I'm gonna give you my thoughts. I know I'm a little late to the party here, but that's okay. I'll tell you what I think about sort of all of the things here. I'm sure you've seen the releases already, and we're all starting to get our boxes in the mail. But let's go ahead and dive in, open her up, and then we'll talk through my thoughts on this. So it says, make your own sunshine, and then this is the little card here. It says the 2019 summer seasonal surprise box is here. Box theme, sunshine in a box. Ready to make a splash into summer? It's the best season for making sun-drenched memories that keep us warm all year long. It's also the season that seems to sail by the fastest, so we curated a box of sunshine that will inspire you to enjoy everyday magic while capturing golden summer memories in style. I hope every splash of inspiration you get from the quote on your cover, and every happy sticker you pop in your planner, and every memory and thought you jot in your colorful summer journal reminds you to plan and live a life you truly love. So remember that you can also use the hashtag ECSurpriseBox, so I think enter yourself to win one. Yeah, they have the rules on the back. So it's got the contents here. I'll put this off to the side. Obviously, I think the cutest thing is this really bright sunny box. It says make your own sunshine, and it's got the rose gold sun on it. This one is really pretty, and the yellow is so festive and fun. I feel like on even like the darkest day, this would be a really nice little thing to have. And then of course, further down here, we've got the tissue paper. It says enjoy. What I'll do is I'll lift everything out of the box. We'll come back and we'll talk a little bit about everything and give you my feedback. So let's get moving. Okay, so there's quite a lot of stuff. Where should we start? Let's start here. So you can tell there's like a bunch of stuff in here. It's all pretty stacked in there. Nothing humongous like the umbrella or the tumbler from last summer. But I think that's good, you know? So let's go ahead and take we'll put everything off to the side. This is the, oh, there's something in here. This is the clear quote wristlet. And this says it's exclusive, so this won't actually be on the website, because there are some things that are sneak peeks that will be coming to the website, and there are things that are only exclusive to the surprise box. And so in here we have the clear quote wristlet, and it says, I make my own sunshine. It's this like, it's obviously plastic, right? But it feels a little bit sturdier and like smoother than what I thought it would be. And then obviously it has this fun faux leather strap here, and then it has rose gold hardware with a rose gold zipper, and it's a pretty decent sized pocket. I feel like this would be good for the pool, like going to the beach or something, because you know it's pretty, like, I wouldn't say it's waterproof, but the kind of like water will run right off the sides of it here. And the nice thing is that the faux leather patch is on the inside. It's not actually here, so you can kind of just wipe this down with like a damp cloth or something. Yeah, I could see like one of my friends really liking this, so that's probably where I'm gonna go. Again, I'm not really a huge wristlet person. It's just kind of a thing for me. But this is really cute, and I feel like this would be helpful. And not really my speed, but I do think that other folks in here would really enjoy that. And so we'll take this out of here. Right. This is number 6. We'll get to that later. So yeah, this is really cute. Again, not something I would use, but you know, really, really cute all the same. And it seems pretty sturdy, which means it'll hold up, you know, like your phone, your wallet, your keys. Does it stand up like on its own? Oh yeah, it kind of does. Okay. Cool. Excellent. Off to the side, moving along. The next thing we have here is the, this is the Summer Journal Petite Planner. So this is a sneak peek. This will be actually coming to the website at some point. And it says, Summer Journal includes 3 undated monthly spreads, daily journaling prompts, spaces for memory keeping, lists section for your summer to-dos, a world map to record all of your summer adventures, and an exclusive metallic sticker sheet. So I really love this print to begin with. They had that tropics theme a while ago with all the different flowers on it, and this is also like I think one of the coloring pages in the back. But as you can tell, it's got the rose gold foiling on some of the leaves, so I'm not a huge fan of that. But it says it's 80 pages, it's 5.7 inches by 8.25 inches, so pretty standard for them. And in here, you've got, so it says, I make my own sunshine, this summer journal belongs to you. And I will say the color scheme is really festive on the inside. This is really pretty, and I'm just happy there isn't a lot of rose gold on the inside. It says, let the sun shine in and let summer begin. Cute. And so yeah, this is an undated month, so you've got all the boxes and you can set it up. And I believe in the back there's a sticker sheet that you can put the dates down for. So then you have to do this month, birthdays, special occasions, a nice blank dot grid. I want this summer to be, and then it has a little prompt there and a box here. A moment that made me laugh today was, I want to create, people I want to connect with this summer. Yeah, so these are really fun. And I think, I love the fact that you have prompts to do, and so, oh, one of these is for every day. Okay, I'm like, what is this? Interesting, that's kind of fun. Again, I love stuff focused around like personal development and positivity and those things, and this is just so fun because you'd be able to set this right on your shelf when the summer's come and gone, and you can look right back. And obviously for those of you that are big on the on-the-go folios, like this will fit right in. Okay, so let's go ahead and go through. There's lots of prompts here, and they kind of just repeat the same process over and over, right? So you've got your monthly page, looking back, looking ahead, things I'm excited for, favorite memories, intentions, adventures I'm going on, plans I'm making, things I learned, things I'll never forget. Oh, that's cute. And then yeah, so you've got your next monthly page, and then it goes through the prompts again. Is there stuff at the back? Oh yeah, let's see here. Yeah, so we have those looking back pages, and then over here you kind of have like your summer bucket list. So it's got nearby places to visit, faraway places to visit, places to eat, places to shop, summer day activities, summer night activities, books to read, movies to see, and then a couple of blank ones so you can kind of make your own categories. And I love that the color scheme kind of flows through. And then you have this world map, which at first I'm really confused as to why certain things are cut off. Like to me, I would have pulled this over a little bit more. I don't know. It's interesting the way that they have the world sort of split up. Oh, they repeat this. Okay, they repeat Europe and Africa on the other side. So that's just something to keep in mind, is if you're traveling from like, you know, Minnesota to Spain, you know, you'll also have to put one on the other side. Or Minnesota to Australia, you can kind of like drag it and put it here. Anyway, I think that's cool. Personally, I have no plans to leave the country this summer, so I feel like I wouldn't get a lot of use out of this, to be fair, but hey, it's nice to think that I'll be traveling some fun places. And then the last page here says, soak up the sun. This is really cute. I'd like to have this in like a little card form, put in a frame or something like that. It says, let's get social. And then this is the exclusive sticker sheet, so there's some really fun little sayings here. There's a cute little leaf. Again, obviously rose gold foil is the name of the game on this box, which I am not a super huge fan of. But so there's 3 full sets of monthly sheets. You've got the peach, the like seafoam green, and then you've got the teal. I'll have rose gold, and there's a couple of little asterisks here. There's usually 5 extra ones. So this is really cute if you're into journaling. And I love that they give you some prompts to help you sort of figure it out. So that's always nice. The next thing on here is an asterisk ballpoint pen. Okay, so I already know like this really isn't my jam. As you can see here, it is really cute, and I think it'll be something that's really handy for folks that want to have something sitting in like a coffee mug on their desk at work, and you know, some fun pen to add a little bit of flair. For me, again though, this is something that I would not really use on a normal basis. First of all, I don't really use ballpoint pens very often, but yeah, so you've got this like metal asterisk here, and it's actually pretty sturdy, which is nice. Oh, it's like a bungee cord. Interesting. Yeah, so, oh yeah, it's actually, it's really satisfying to play with. Let's see, is it satisfying to write with? Oh yeah, it kind of is actually. It glides quite nicely. Yeah, so I think this is really cute. Again, I wouldn't really use this, but the nice part is that if you kind of put these together, you'll be always ready to go to do your journaling prompts, which is a smart thing. Not my favorite thing, but you know, that's okay. The next thing is the shaped paper, palm paper clips. Okay, so these are a sneak peek. This will also be in the shop. So they're rose gold, there's 9 palm paper clips. I don't use a lot of paper clips, to be honest with you, but these are fun. I know that I've seen a lot of like themed office supplies lately. Like I know Target has a whole box of kits that are like matching, and like some of them are gold. But yeah, I think this would be fun for folks that really enjoy having like matching like accessories. So if you had this to work with this pen and this thing, it's all a nice cohesive style. However, if you don't like rose gold, you're not gonna enjoy a lot of this box. I'm just gonna be honest with you. And so that's fun. The next thing we have are some sticker sheets. There's 3 of them. So it looks like we've got this one here that says it's all sort of summer themed, and there's some with rose gold foiling, some without. Feeling tropical, summer lovin', adventure. And then this is also a more functional one. I think there's 2. Yeah, so I don't know where they're counting an extra sticker sheet. I only have 2, and it says 3. And these are exclusive just for the surprise box, but you can see here it's really functional. Let me zoom you guys in a little bit so you can see these better. So yeah, you've got the Feeling Tropical ones. These are more sort of festive. I do love all the citrus fruits. I think that's really festive, and like the coconut here with the leaves behind it. And then here you can see that this really matches the theme of the notebook. So you've got that like fun yellow, the seafoam, the teal, that light purple. Chase the Sun, apparently that's all over the place. I think this actually ends up being somewhere else in the kit. I mean the box, excuse me. But yeah, really, really cute stuff. Again, if you like rose gold, you're loving this box. If you don't like rose gold, I'm really sorry. So the next thing here is the Mini Kaleidoscope Colorful Petite Journal. So, for those of you that aren't a fan of rose gold, this is regular gold foiling, and it's just a mini journal. So, nothing crazy here. What does it say? It doesn't say how many pages it is, but it says this book belongs to, and then it's just blank. This might be good for like just throwing in your bag, or hell, putting it in your little, what is this called? Your little wristlet and leaving this with you. This is just handy for extra journaling, and I think this is gorgeous. Again, I can't speak highly enough of this pattern. Really, really pretty. So that's always fun, and this is an exclusive. This won't be coming out into the shop either. And then the next thing is, the last thing here is Chase the Sun. This is a interchangeable metallic quote cover. This is exclusive. Let me open this up. I do love the ombre look, so I'm not gonna lie, I might like invert these, but that might, yeah, like I think it's gorgeous, but as you can see, the inside does the ombre as well. And then on the outside you have Chase the Sun in rose gold. I love this font, and of course the asterisk. I would really love if it was just, you had the option to just do it blank, but I can see how some people really like that sparkle. But to me, what I'm probably gonna do is, I don't know, maybe reverse them or something. I did this with the another seasonal surprise box where I kind of just like had them flipped for a while. I don't know, we'll see what happens, but these are pretty, and I think if you're really into the rose gold, you're gonna be complete for the entire summer. So let's go ahead. My final thoughts on this box is, yeah, not my favorite, but I can see people that really love rose gold and all sorts of other stuff would be very excited by this, and I don't, listen, the point of these boxes, they're meant to be a surprise, and so you're not always going to love everything in them, and that's okay. And I'm totally fine with it, and I know that I'll be able to bless some of these things on other people that didn't get a chance to order, and they'll really, really enjoy it, and that is all I could ask for, you know? So I'm just kind of like centering everything here to give you one last look. Let's go ahead and zoom in a little bit. Alright, well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. I greatly appreciate it. It does help the channel out. And I make new videos every Monday and every Thursday, and I'll try to add in a few as I go along just to make sure that I'm giving you guys access to content as it comes out. But go ahead and click that red subscribe button so that you can get my videos straight into your feed as soon as they're published. In the comment box down below what your favorite item is on here in this box. You know, I have to say I really love the Kaleidoscope journal. Also, I didn't think I was gonna really enjoy the monthly summer journal, but I feel like those prompts could be really fun to sort of capture all the good memories of the summer. So let me know what your thoughts are down in the comment box below on what you liked from this box, what you didn't like. Are you team no rose gold like many people are? Do you love rose gold? Let me know. I want to hear all about it from you. And so you can find me over on social media. I'm over at Instagram at A Man With The Plans. I'm also over on Facebook at A Man With The Plans. And until next time, planner friends, I'll see you later. Bye.